In this lesson, we're going to look at making formulae. This is our first and only example. The poster on screen details garage charges for breakdown cover. The charges are as follows. First one is a call-out charge. Call-out charge is £80. Call-out charge is an upfront price that you pay for a repairman to come and visit your vehicle. Our next charge is labour charges. It is charged by the hour and is £20. So in other words, for the repairman to start working on your vehicle, it will cost you £20 per hour. Our third charge is a parts charge. We are told that parts are charged at cost. This means that if your vehicle requires a part in order to fix it, then you will just be charged the same price as the garage paid for the part in the first place. On to our question. Our question is split into two parts. Part A. Make a formula for the total cost C of a breakdown that needs H hours to fix with the cost of parts P. So what we want is a formula for C that we can use to work out total cost. C is the subject of our formula. So we have C equals. Next thing we look at is the H. H hours, £20 per hour. So if we have H, then we multiply that by 20. For every hour, we multiply by 20. We are also told that our parts cost is P. So whatever our parts cost, we have to add that on. So we have so far C equals H times 20. Add on the cost of parts, P. Are we finished? Well, no, we also have our call-out charge of £80. This is something that doesn't change, so we have to add that on at the end, plus 80. So our formula is C equals H times 20 plus P plus 80. We can make that a little bit neater. H times 20 is just 20H. So our formula is C equals 20H plus P plus 80. The total cost of the breakdown is the number of hours multiplied by £20 plus the cost of parts P plus the call-out charge of £80. Now we have our formula. The next part of our question, part B, work out the total cost of a breakdown that takes half an hour to fix with £15 of parts required. Thinking back to our previous lesson on formulae, we said the first thing you should do when attempting a formulae question is write down the formula itself. So our formula is C equals 20H plus P plus 80. So first of all, we want the total cost C. We know that this particular job takes half an hour. So H represents the number of hours. Half an hour is 0.5. We want to add on P, the price of the parts, or the cost of the parts, which in this case is £15. Then we want to add on the call-out charge, which stays constant at £80. So our next line, C equals 20 times 0.5 plus 15 plus 80. Remembering BODMAS, we have C equals 20 times 0.5, which is 10. So C equals 10 plus 15 plus 80. 10 plus 15 plus 80 is 105. So our total cost of this breakdown is £105. And that is our answer.